friends, all of you welcome back to Kalajyoti Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a video about 2025 KSET exam paper 1 general studies key answers in English version according to my knowledge. You want to support my channel, please like and share the videos to your friends and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon. Let us come to the topic. First question, match the following. The right answer, option 4 is right. A2, B1, C4, D3. Question number second, the right answer is second answer. Next question number third, the right answer is first one. Question number 4, the right answer is second one. Question number 5, match the following. The right answer is third one. Question number 6, the right answer is third one. Question number 7, match the following and choose the correct answer. The right answer is 3. A3, B4, C2, D1. Question number 8, the right answer is first one. 3, 2, 1, 4. Question number 9, the correct answer is third one. Question number 10, the right answer is first one. Interview method. Next one, read the following passage carefully and answer the questions 11 to 15. You read the passage. 11th question answer is first one. 12th question answer is second one. 13th question answer is first one. 14th question answer is fourth one. 15th question answer is fourth one, only C. Next question number 16, the right answer is fourth one. Question number 17, the right answer is 3. C, D and E only. Question number 18, the right answer is 3. C, D and E only. Next question number 19, the correct answer is first one. A, B and C only. 20th question, match the following. The correct answer is third one. A2, B1, C3, D4. Next question number 21, the right answer is first one. N, P, Q, R. Question number 22, the correct answer is 3, 2051. Question number 23, the right answer is 475 km per hours. 24th question, the right answer is first one. A, B, C and D. Question number 25th, the right answer is second one, 150. Question number 26, the right answer is third one. A, E, P, Y, L, R. Question number 27, the right answer first one, 1. Question number 28, the right answer is first one. D, score the highest. Question number 29, the right answer is first one. Question number 13, the right answer is third one, C. Question number 31, the right answer is third one, 45, 7, 87. Next 32 question, the right answer is second one, 40%. Question number 33, the correct answer is second one. Rank of each students remains same. Question number 34, the correct answer is second one. Next question number 35, the correct answer is third one, 66%. Question number 36, match the following and choose the correct option. List 1, list 2. The correct answer is first one. A2, B4, C1, D3. Question number 37, the correct answer is third one. Second and fourth are true. Question number 38, the right answer is third one. Both S1 and S2 are correct. Question number 39, the correct answer is third one. Using learning apps that helps each students learn at their own level. Question number 40, the right answer is second one. Question number 41, the right answer is third one. Question number 42, the right answer is first one. A, B and C. Question number 43, the right answer is second one. Question number 44, the right answer is second one. Only 3 of them are correct. Question number 45, the correct answer is 4, only A. Question number 45, the correct answer is 4, A only. Question number 46, the correct answer is second one, physical punishment. Question number 47, match the following. The right answer is fourth one. A3, B1, C2, D4. Question number 48, the right answer is first one. A2, B3, C4, D1. Question number 49, the right answer is first one. AICTE. Question number 50, last question. The correct answer is first one, A, C and E. Thanks for watching. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.